Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Training Room Recap for Monday, October the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is a email you can use to ask me any questions. This is a link to get into our free trading room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. And this is a link for a subscription. Now, I'm also going to put a link in here for the test drive, all right? The test drive link is now available, and the test drive basically starts on October the 29th. It'll give you full access for 5 trading days to our program, just as if you were a premium subscriber. So everything we have to offer, it'll cost you $8.88, okay? And I open the room at around 9 o'clock Eastern Time, get live on the mic, that's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic about 9:05. I go to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, and 3 o'clock on Fridays. Now, I'm going to go over one trade, and then afterwards, you should, I'm going to put in the download link for the latest beta. So if you have Trade Ideas Premium, you know, with Holly and all, and you've been waiting for the link that's going to allow you, for the download that's going to allow you to have all 3 Hollies open at the same time, I'm going to demonstrate how you can do it. Okay, so I'm just going to go over one trade right now that I took today, and this was just a great trade. Kudos to Riley in the trading room for mentioning this one. This one had a great day on Friday, and of course it's a cannabis stock, and a lot of these cannabis stocks and on the pink sheets OTC market were really hot today. Now Tilray, you know, was very hot, as was CGC, the bigger ones. But a lot of these OTC stocks were really jumping today. I typically don't trade OTC stocks, but this one had such a great day. In fact, take a look at it on the daily chart. Had such a great day on Friday, and now just a continuation day. And he mentioned it just as it was getting over 6. And so, again, I don't often trade the OTC stocks, but you know, obviously the right sector. So I got into this one right here at 617. I sold some right here at 664, and I got rid of actually I sold some at 702, and then I got rid of the balance right around here. So that was just a really nice alert from Riley in the room. So kudos to Riley. Okay, now I do want to go over how to set up the Hollies so you have all 3 of them, okay, at one time. So the first thing you should do, in my opinion anyway, this is what I do, is when you go to the toolbar, go to the toolbar, just drag the toolbar in here, and you see where it says new. So you'll click on new. I hope this doesn't, I don't lose this. This is okay. And then just click on the AI/Holly strategy window, okay? So I'm going to get rid of that. When you do that, this will pop up. Okay, and one of the Hollies will be there. So all you have to do now is right click, and I hope this doesn't disappear when I do it, but right click and then click on view all trades. Now I'm not going to do it, but if I did that, I'm just afraid that I'm going to lose something here. But when you do that, for instance, I'm on Holly 2.0 right there, you will get this window will pop up, okay? Holly 2.0 all trades, okay? This is on another monitor I've got. Once you've done that, then right click, go to your segments, and now pick another Holly Grail. Now do the same thing. Right click, view all trades, and when you do that, then you'll notice that Holly Grail will pop up, and also the other Holly that if it was Neo or 2.0, that will remain. So now you should have 2 Holly all windows open. And then probably guess what you're going to do the next time? Right click, go to the last Holly. All right, and then again, right click, view all trades, and that'll be it. You will have all 3 open at the same time. It's really that simple. Now, this is what I do. You don't have to do this, but this is what I do. Let me just get rid of this. So you'll notice that this is all the trades, all right? Now, we do have, of course, a way to have another window open that just shows all the open trades and all the closed trades. I am not going to do that anymore. I don't need to, for me anyway, the way I'm going to trade this, I don't need to do that anymore. I can see, of course, when Holly is out of trades. There's the exit reason. So if this is, you know, these are the ones that she's out of. If it's blank there, then she's still in these trades. Okay, that's all I really care about, because all I'm doing is then I'm going to, for me, again, I'm sorting on the risk on profit percent column. Now, if you want to do the same as I do, you know, you have to have this column up, right click, columns. You can pick, you know, there are a lot of columns that you can choose from. You know, if you don't have that one up and you do want that, all you have to do is just click on it, left click on it, highlight it, and then left click it over to get it over into this column, and then it will be there. Okay. So what I do is then I sort. Notice this one, FLKS. Now it's a cheap one, but it's up 13.4%. I like to see it sorted with the ones that are up the most at the top. Now how do I do that? I just left click twice. Okay, I just left click twice. I could left click twice on any one of these columns, but it'll sort it. If I left click twice again, it's going to sort it in descending order. Now I'm sorry, in ascending order. Now I'll just left click it twice and it'll move up like this. So that's how I like to see my Holly trades. Okay, my Holly alerts, not my trades, but my Holly alerts. You can put a sound alert, of course, you can put a different sound alert on each one of these windows if you want. I have chosen not to. I have the same sound alert. Again, you can do whatever you want, but again, right click, actions, click the sound alert, set up the sound, use a custom sound, click on that, select the sound. Here are some windows or some folders, which there are various sounds that you can attach. Okay, you just pick one that you like, and then just say open. If you play it and you like it, you say okay. And then that's it. So that sound alert will then be attached to that window. You can, if you want to have 3 different ones, that's fine. I have chosen not to, because remember, what happens is I will hear it and it'll also flash at me. So if there was a Holly alert right now, as I'm doing this video, there isn't one, but if there was one, it would flash, I would hear it. So, you know, this is on another monitor, and the minute I hear my sound alert, I just quickly look at the monitor and I see what's flashing at me, and so I can go to the right Holly. So that is very, you know, that's hopefully that makes sense to you, because we're going to get that question a lot. How do you have all 3 Hollies open at the same time? So maybe you have to watch this video a couple of times to get it, but hopefully that made a lot of sense. So I want to, oops, see what happened. Okay, so let me just get back to the view all. There we go. Okay, so if you have any questions for me, just use this email address. And again, the room is free, 100% free. Here's a link for the room. I'm going to have a couple of extra links in here. One for the, obviously for the subscription, and also for the test drive that starts on October the 29th. And again, please read it so carefully. A lot of people think that what you're doing right now is just pre-registering for this test drive, okay? You won't have access, you know, you'll have no live data until then, okay? So don't think that, okay, I'm registering, where's my data? It doesn't start until the 29th. All right, so thanks for listening, and I'll open the room tomorrow. Let me get my capture program right here. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock, so I hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.